So seeing that it's...
Okay, wow.
Is what happened?
Fine.
Is what happened?
Oh, good. No, it's all right. We're back. We are back. Seeing that it is...
Girl Power Tuesday. And International Women's Day comes up on the 8th, which is this weekend. True?
I think so. I think you're onto something. It's a
Yeah,
Saturday.
well.
It's a Saturday.
Anyway.
4th.
Okay.
Right.
So this edition of Something to Sing About is all about singing karaoke songs of female empowerment, women empowerment. We have no idea what's going to come up on the screen.
No.
And we're just going to...
That's a clue. We're going to see what's there.
Gonna wing it.
Wish us luck.
And
Okay, here we
swing
go.
People talk, that's what they do. And some they understand how we still I push and go through. Hey, I love this song, you know. La, they call me names, but they don't. How them see me out, what have to say? I'm talking. Me no see them, I just keep on walking. I've got my pride. Me not gonna show my bad side. Na 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 na. Oh, me reach a so nice song. Me jump over 6 lines. Sorry, Tana. Tana, we do. Never let you down. Never let them see you frown. Never let them take away your liberty. Live your life and be free. Never let them get you down. Never let them see you frown. Never let them you astray starting today. Live your life and live it your way. Etana, we love you still.
Pull up. Don't worry about it.
We're sorry about
See,
that.
run off for the song though.
Dana Bad.
Run off.
Big tune.
This song. Hui.
Okay.
My tune, this is
Ready. So go on, Miss.
Hold on now. Let it come up on the screen. I don't know the words. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, we are. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ooh. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ooh. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ooh. When the road is called up, I'll be standing tall up to face the darkest and the hardest of times. We'll be taking care of all the children thereof. But if it's required, we'll be on the front line. You can call me by my name. I am ready to roll. Once the rules remain the same, how the story's been told. Call me anytime, never cop out. Lioness is on the rise, don't you ever have doubt.
We're done by.
Never say never willing. Oh, sorry, okay.
Fine.
Next song.
Oh, me no
And
say
be strong.
put in that tune, yeah.
Whew, tired, hold on. Katy Perry, Roar? Wow.
Roar. This requires rain.
I'll just back up sing for you, Sima, let's go.
These are wicked.
I used to bite
My tongue and hold my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So I sat quietly, agreed politely. I guess that if I had a choice,
I'd let you
push me
past the...
no,
Okay.
Everything. So I fell for everything. You held me down, but I got up. Already brushing off the dust. You hear my voice, you hear that sound.
Like thunder gonna shake the ground.
You held me down, but I got up. Get ready, cause I've had enough. I see it all, I see it now. I got the eye of a tiger, a fighter, dancing through the fire. Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than a lion. Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar. You're gonna hear me roar.
Like that. Like that. Okay. Who child?
Johnny.
So we don't get our breath.
What is now?
A breath break. I am one.
Hear me roar. Numbers too big to ignore. Put it.
And I know too much to go back and pretend. Cause I've heard it all before. And I've been down there on the floor. No one's ever gonna keep me down again.
Got no bad. Go, guys.
Oh,
yes, I'm wise, but it's wisdom on a pain. Yes, I paid the price, but look how much I've gained. If I have to,
I can do anything. Cause I am strong. I am invincible. I am woman.
Woman, I am. Woo!
Vote for us at 876.
Don't make
926.
Try to make Anthony. Don't make Anthony see this. Please, I beg.
Oh my God, no scrubs? Is that empowering song this? Or revenging? Okay, all right.
This one is
ready.
This one is dedicated to Clive. On behalf of.
Here we go. Scrub.
Oh, we
go, Clive Valance, ready. A scrub is a guy who thinks he's flying. He's also known as a buster. Always thinking about what he wants and just sits on his broke. So no, I don't want your number, no. I ain't gonna give you mine, and no. I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. I don't want none of your time, cause I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging on the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging on the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. Scrub is sick of me, but his game is kinda weak, and I know that he cannot approach me. Cause I'm looking like class and he's looking like can't get with no deadbeat. So no, I don't want your number, no. You're not gonna ever get mine, and no, you can't carry me out nowhere, no. But not give you none of my time.
No,
pull up.
no, trust me, no scrubs. No scrub.
Alicia Keys, Girl on Fire, ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. This is you, Simo.
Me?
Yeah.
No. She's just a girl and she's on fire. Hotter than a fantasy. Running like a highway. Unsafe there and it's on fire. Filled with a catastrophe. But she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, she's got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down. Watch this, look at that. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's what? She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. She a burn up. She hot bad. She bad. Looks like a girl, but she's a flame. So bright she can burn your eyes and look the other way. So
So
you want us to stop singing now?
She's on top of the world, coming up on tomorrow's show. We'll catch